Without using logarithm tables, find the value of x in the equation. Logarithm of x cubed plus logarithm of 5x is equals to 5 logarithm of 2 subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5. For you to solve this question, you require to understand the basic laws of logarithms, and specifically the one that you're going to use in this question is this one. So given logarithm of a plus logarithm of b, this one can be expressed as a singular logarithm as logarithm of a multiplied by b. That is what you're going to use on the left hand side. On the right hand side, that is a subtraction. So you're going to use this law, logarithm of a subtract logarithm of b. This one will be logarithm of a divided by b. So these are the two laws of logarithms that you're going to use to solve this question. So let's go to the left hand side. The left hand side, we can express that in singular logarithm, and using the first law, that will be logarithm of x cubed multiplied by 5x, like that, is equals to, look at the right hand side. The right hand side is something that you notice there. 5 logarithm of 2, 5 logarithm of 2 can be expressed as logarithm of 2 raised to power 5. Then subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5. Let me repeat this. 5 logarithm of 2 can be written as logarithm of 2 raised to power 5. So let's simplify the left hand side. Logarithm of x cubed multiplied by 5x, that will be logarithm of, this will be 5x raised to power 4 is equals to logarithm of 2 raised to power 5 will be logarithm of 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Then subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5. So now we can simplify the right hand side using this law, the second law here. And when you express this one as a singular logarithm, logarithm of 32, subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5, you'll get logarithm of 32 divided by 2 over 5. That is how you're supposed to express that. And this one will simplify 2. So 32, so this will be 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. When you simplify this, 32 divided by 2 divided by 5, this will give you 80. So that is what you get on the right hand side. The left hand side, remember what you got. This is logarithm of 5x raised to power 4. Now having these, you have logarithm express the singular form on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we only have one term each on each of these sides. Now from here you can drop the logs. Drop the logs. So drop the logs on both sides such that you'll have 5x raised to power 4 is equals to 80. Now from here you'll be able to solve for x easily when you drop the logs. So since you are finding x, the value of x, you can divide both sides by 5, that you get x raised to power 4 is equals to 80 divided by 5 will give you 16. And for you to obtain x, and you have x raised to power 4, you get the fourth root. You get the fourth root of both sides. the fourth root of both sides. The fourth root of x raised to power 4 is x. Fourth root of 16 will be 2. So that is how you're supposed to solve that question.